One of the most important factors about becoming an independent personal trainer is going to be your ability to retain your clientele. Now that you are not working for a health club where they're feeding you clients, your ability to maintain clientele is going to either make or break your success as an independent personal trainer. Over the last 10 years, I've trained clients both in the Northeast and then now down here in Houston, Texas. And I've learned a lot about what it takes to maintain clientele. Trainer burnout is a real thing. And having to onboard new clients takes a lot out of you as a personal trainer. You have to learn the personalities, what the client likes or dislikes, and that's something that if you have to do that month after month, you're going to burn yourself out. These points that I'm going to detail going forward are going to help you maintain your clientele and help you become a successful personal trainer, to be on your own and to be successful and happy. So the first step in making sure you get off on the right foot with your clientele is going to be making clear and concise, realistic goals with them. It's easy for a trainer to overpromise what's realistic in terms of goal setting to get on a new client. However, it's going to bite you in the butt later down the road. For example, weight loss. A lot of clients, a lot of potential clients think that they can lose weight and maintain that weight loss a lot quicker than what's realistic. So it's important to map out what is realistic and what session frequency and time span is going to be needed to create permanent progress. And that will help you in the long term with that relationship with your client. Train the pain away. And what that means is your ability to treat and to fix chronic pain within your clients is going to be a very, very important tool to build a strong and long-lasting relationship with that client. Something's very powerful about being able to take away someone's pain. And the majority of your clients are going to have some form of chronic pain, whether it's in the knees or the back, lower back, upper back, any of the joints. You're going to find people have chronic pain. And if you learn the tools to treat and eliminate pain, you're going to create very long-lasting relationships. You cannot out-train a shitty diet. And what that means is a client's diet, especially when it comes to body composition, is one of the most important factors in their potential success. Now, a client might see you at maximum 4 to 5 hours per week. The other hours that are with you is where their progress is either made or it's broken. Learning what client needs what accountability and what type of diet guidance is essential for creating the environment that will help the client produce results and to build a lasting relationship with that client. Don't bake cookies. And I know cookies are delicious, but what I mean is do not be that trainer that cookie cuts their programs. Your clients will know that you are repeating the same workouts with each client. They can feel it, they can see it. Don't be that trainer that takes the easy road out. The clients are paying for an individual personal training session. So take the time out to make sure that their program is unique and specific, and they'll be a long-lasting client. This is gonna suck, or the RPE 10 rule. And what I mean by that is there should be a certain percentage of a client's workout that's gonna suck. Now, a client shouldn't hate going to the workout, but they should also be slightly apprehensive about it. So it shouldn't be easy. And you have to feel out each client, but what I've learned is if a client is a little bit apprehensive about the workout, it keeps them coming back. So learn the client and figure out what percentage of their workout should suck, and you're gonna have a client for many, many years. You are a hairdresser on steroids. And what that means is you're going to be a huge asset in terms of who your clients talk to throughout the week. Your clients are going to tell you things that maybe they don't tell their spouses or their significant others. So be prepared to hear some crazy things. On top of that, make sure that you are a trustworthy source and that you give correct or sound advice when needed, and other times just be an open ear to listen. Being that resource to your clients is just as important as their exercise prescription, because they're paying you to do an in-person personal training session. You're not an online coach. So be that open ear, and if you're not comfortable being an open ear and giving sound advice, now's your time to improve.